Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going over some spoilers for August Boxycharm. I know I kind of stopped doing these videos, but Boxycharm actually sent me this box full of spoilers. I was actually supposed to do an Instagram post with them, but I was like, let's do a video too, because I kind of just want to go over everything since they did send these things. You can see the items up close and get some sneak peeks for what's possibly in the August Boxycharm base box and premium. And I also wrote down a few extras too that I found out from different Instagram pages. So I'll go ahead and start with the choice items for the base box, since you did get to pick one item if you guys got to do that a little bit earlier. So the first thing, which is really exciting, there was a choice of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is my personal one. I was so excited to see this as a choice. I didn't choose it myself because obviously I have this and I love it so much, and this seriously lasts forever. If I had a backup, I don't even know when I would be able to use it, but that was one of the choices. I'm sure a lot of people went with this. They had different color options as well that you could choose from, which was nice. So yeah, I have this one in Swan. I'm actually wearing it underneath the eyes today. Just my go-to favorite concealer. I think it's perfection. It has amazing coverage. You just get so much product in here. So that is the first choice. The next choice is from GLAMGLOW, and they had their GLAMGLOW MOISTURETRIP Omega Rich Moisturizer. This is also my personal one, already something I love and use. One of the main reasons that I love this moisturizer is because it does not have a fragrance in it. A lot of GLAMGLOW stuff does have very high fragrance, which can be irritating for sensitive skin, but this one does not. So this is definitely my go-to product from GLAMGLOW. This one has like a light green color to it. Sorry, I'm just scooping up some because it all dripped down, but this stuff feels so good on the skin. Super moisturizing. I love this one as an evening moisturizer, and yeah, it's amazing from GLAMGLOW. I definitely recommend, and if you guys picked it, I think you're gonna love it. The next choice item was the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream and the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Cleanser. So you could pick one of those for your base box. Amazing choices this month. I was very excited about them. And then I do have a few other random spoilers for the base box. These are just variations, so you may or may not get these, or you may get something completely different than I mentioned. First up, we have a couple things from TRESTIQUE. There's the Summer Glow and Go set. Also, the TRESTIQUE Matte for Every Mood. The Matte for Every Mood is a lip set, and then the other one looks like a combination. It could be like a bronzer stick maybe. There's a lip, a highlight, maybe a cheek color, so a little mix of everything that you could be getting. The next little sneak peek I actually have with me. This is from Milk Makeup, and this will be a variation. This is the KUSH Fiber Brow Gel. I'm really excited because I've always wanted to try this. I'm a huge fan of like the Benefit Gimme Brow, which is one of those fiber gels, and I pretty much use those all the time for my eyebrows. Now, they did send me a few shades. I don't know if this is all the shades that are going to be in the box, but I have here the shade Dutch, which is what I have on my brows right now, which is kind of like this taupey color. It was a bit dark, but I do love the name because I'm Dutch myself and we do tend to have super ashy hair, so that makes sense. I also have the shade Dub, which is more of a like auburn kind of shade. Let me show you guys the packaging as well. Basically, this is what it looks like, and it has the little mascara wand there to just fluff in your brows. This one is Grind, and then I also have Diesel. These look like they're going to be pretty close in color. Maybe one's a black, one's a little bit of a dark brown. And then I also have Herb, which is more just a basic medium brown. So those are the shades that they sent over in the KUSH Brow Gel. Super excited about that sneak peek for the base box. The next sneak peek is from CLARINS. We have the Velvet Lip Perfectors. Let's see, they sent me a few of them. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys all the shades that they have so you guys can get an idea. This is another variation, so not everyone will be getting them. This is what they look like in this little tube. So this one is the shade Velvet Nude. It kind of remind me of like the Too Faced Melteds. So you just squeeze it up and get the product. They are super velvety, pretty much a dupe for the Too Faced in my opinion, because I don't think these are going to dry down all the way because they are that moussey texture. So this is a beautiful color. I cannot wait to try that one. These are the Velvet Lip Perfectors. They also sent me the shade Velvet Rosewood. That one's a bit of a deeper color. I also have the Velvet Red shade. And then the last color is called Velvet Raspberry. This is going to be such a good one for fall. Super pretty berry. So those are the 4 Clarins lippies. The next spoiler I have, I'm pretty sure this is for the base box as well. This is another variation. This is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. It's a 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette from them. Got a nice mixture, neutrals on the top, colors on the bottom. I will go ahead and swatch these for you, but they look absolutely beautiful. So this is going to be a variation for item number 2. So I believe you could either get this or the Butter London Teddy Boy palette, or the TRESTIQUE A Matte for Every Mood. I think those are both of the variations for item number 2, but I could be wrong. I never really know for sure. I'm just kind of guessing here from what I've seen from spoilers on Instagram. But yeah, this looks amazing. I do have a few premium spoilers written down as well for the $35 box for August. First up, I'll do the choice products. We actually had some really good choices for skincare. We had Sunday Riley products, which was really cool. The first choice was actually this A+ high dose retinoid serum. This stuff, it retails for a ton of money. I think this is like $100 or so. So that's pretty crazy they are including it here. But I have seen Sunday Riley in a lot of like subscription boxes lately. I feel like they're having a hard time because, you know, they had so much drama with making fake Sephora reviews, so that's not good. But I'm excited to actually try this for myself. It says it's a advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. So I'm looking into using more retinols. The only one I really have right now is the Drunk Elephant one, so I probably will try this out. I know Sunday Riley does use a lot of fragrance in their products, which I try to avoid, but I believe it's like essential oils is what they use. Oh wait, that one actually, I don't think it has a scent. So we're good. We might be good on that one. But I'm definitely going to be trying this out for myself. I'm going to definitely look up more ingredients though on that, just to be sure. The other choice item you could pick from was the Sunday Riley CEO Cream, which is just their vitamin C moisturizer. So they had 2 Sunday Riley products there. And then the third choice, which I actually think I picked this for myself, but they also sent this over. This is the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I was so excited to see this as a choice. I've been wanting to try it. I did try out their banana eye cream and I really liked it, but I heard pretty good things about this primer. It says that it's a vitamin C powered illuminating makeup primer that delivers radiance while improving and extending makeup wear. It's inspired by the makeup artist must-have banana powder. That's how it gets its name. So it has brightening pigments to bring radiance to the entire complexion. So this is kind of what it looks like. If you guys could see there, I put it on the side, but it does have that slight creamy, almost orangey yellow tone, and it smells like the Ulla Henriksen products if you guys like that orange scent. So they do use fragrance in their stuff, but it feels so moisturizing and it does feel just super silky smooth. Really excited to try that. And then I have this in here. I honestly don't know which box this is a spoiler for, but I'm going to show it. But it's the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches. This comes with 6 patches and it retails for $22. It says it's going to be cooling, depuffing, and packed with energizing caffeine and soothing seawater. So lots of fun milk makeup lately in Boxycharm. And then those are the ones that they sent over, but I do want to mention a couple that I wrote down that I saw spoilers. So I saw that there is a palette that I think everyone in premium is going to be getting this month, which is nice to actually like include everyone and not be a variation. But it's a brand new CIATE London palette. It's called the New England Editor's Eyeshadow Palette. It actually looks really nice. It has a very nice mixture of shades. It actually kind of reminds me of the Patrick Star One Size palette that I just bought. I'm actually wearing it today because I see the blues, the greens, and then like the rose golds. It has a little bit of everything, so that actually looks very promising. I'm excited to try. And then there's also a variation that could include the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, the original, which is really good if you have, I would say, combo dry skin. It has a really nice finish to it, just a classic setting powder. And then there's something from DERMALECT, which is the XL Lash Volumizer, which I'm not super familiar with, but I did want to mention. So those are all the spoilers I have. I just thought this would be a fun video to throw up as we are getting excited to receive our August Boxycharms. I know Boxycharm has been, at least with me, I know some of you guys as well have told me that like it's been very hit or miss lately. Like last month I loved my base box, but I didn't even end up filming my premium. I got it so late, and then I was actually really disappointed in the products that I got. It was a very bad box. I did not think it was worth the $35 I spent. But yeah, it looks like this month is going to be really promising, and hopefully they will continue to improve things and just include really exciting things. I love seeing like the new products in the boxes as well. I think that's really fun for everyone too. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be filming my Boxycharm as usual whenever that comes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.